What is rationalism? Rationalism is a philosophical doctrine that holds the view that knowledge is derived from reason rather than experience. Hence, for the rationalists, reason is the ultimate source of knowledge and the test of its validity. Rationalism is characterized by three major theses, namely, first, knowledge is derived from intuition, or rational insight, and deductive reasoning, rather than from sense perception. Second, the ideas or concepts that constitute the mind's ability to think are innate, and therefore, knowledge of a particular thing is innate. Now, what these 3 points suggest for the rationalists is that reality has an intrinsically logical structure, which contains certain truths that can be accessed by the mind. For this reason, the rationalists believe that truths exist and that the intellect can grasp them directly. And for the rationalists, these truths are fundamental so that denying them would cause us to fall into contradiction. In other words, these truths are self-evidently true and that their negation is self-evidently false. Consider, for example, this proposition. All triangles have 3 angles. Logically speaking, this proposition is absolutely true because as long as an object is a triangle, it must have 3 angles. Also, for the rationalists, the knowledge of this proposition is not derived from experience, but from reason. For sure, we need not resort to experience in order to say that indeed all triangles have 3 angles. Through thinking alone, that is, through the use of reason, we can arrive at the knowledge that all triangles have 3 angles. Rene Descartes, a 17th century French philosopher, was the leading figure in rationalism. He believed that the information one gathers through the senses are not accurate. Through the application of his famous methodic doubt, Descartes was convinced that knowledge can be attained not through experience, but through pure reason. In fact, Descartes believes that a strict application of pure knowledge to all epistemological problems is the only way to attain knowledge and certainty.